Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up the save. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, load the household containing the sim with the reward trait. Make sure testing cheats is enabled via the cheat console. You need command access. Then shift-click the sim or use the cheat console immediately. This first step grants the permissions required to edit traits. Without it, you cannot legally remove reward traits in-game. Keep the save backup handy. If anything goes wrong, you revert to it quickly and safely. Now you modify the sim inside Create a Sim. This is the core step. Once in CAS, navigate directly to the Traits panel. Don't mess with unrelated sliders. Make sure you find the specific reward trait and remove it or replace it with a standard trait from the catalog. After choosing replacements, finalize the sim and confirm changes. The game will update the sim's behavior. If you removed an unlock tied to aspiration, make sure aspiration progress still functions by checking the sim's needs and rewards inventory. Finish by saving the game and testing the sim in live mode to confirm the reward trait is gone and behavior is normal. If the trait reappears, immediately exit and reload your backup save, then re-enable testing cheats and repeat the CAS edit carefully. Should problems persist, check for conflicting mods or custom content. Disable them and repair the game through Origin or the EA app. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify save integrity before major edits to avoid irreversible corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.